Hello friends and fellow investors, welcome to my channel Weekend Investor. Today we are going to be speaking about Workhorse and why I think that we are in for some major news before the new year, and why I think that the UPS contract is actually bringing down the stock price for Workhorse at the moment. But before we continue, I would like to ask you if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. So, this year, the Workhorse has just had a tremendously good year in terms of stock price. The stock price is up almost 1,000%. So that is really amazing, but there's still more room. Everyone is at the moment so focused on the USPS contract that they're not seeing all the other signs that could lead to further catalyst to power up the stock price. For example, when Workhorse received a purchase order from Pritchard, the stock price barely moved. And it's a big dealership in the United States that is selling lots of cars, and they announced intent to also give more orders. So it will be a long partnership. And yet the stock price didn't move because everyone is so focused on the USPS contract. They are not taking into account all the other information that is coming to light for this company. Now, even when they announced that the USPS contract will be delayed another 3 months, the stock price tanked. And everyone is thinking, okay, so it was delayed a few times now, it will be delayed a few times later. This is suppressing the stock price, but why? The USPS contract is a one-time deal. They produce the cars and it's over. Okay, they make a few $1 billion, but so what? Once they finish making this car, it's over. It's over. There will be no further orders for the next 30 years. You know, they have to be making orders every day, every month, and Pritchard will give them that. Now, what I think will be dropping before the new year is who is their customer for refrigerated trucks, because they have shown, the management of Workhorse has shown that they're very prepared to deal with negative news. For example, when they had a really bad quarter, last earnings report, they were saving the purchase order from Pritchard to balance out. So that is why I also think that they were anticipating the USPS contract delay, and they were saving this customer to announce it at the end of the year. Because 2 months ago, in October, when they first teased us that they are researching into how make refrigerated vans, that was it. One slip of information, and then it was over. No mention of it, nothing. So I think that they're saving this information for the end of the year. Now, this is only my speculation. It could be also for the next earnings report, so keep that in mind. That could be also, I don't know, I think they have in February the next earnings report. So it could be now, in a few weeks, or it could be at the next earnings report. But why is that so important? Because they are expanding their revenue streams. Even without the USPS contract, this company will do very, very, very good, because they're the only company in their class that has these credits for their electric vans. That means that their electric vans are very cheap because of credits that are supplied by the government or local governments. and they make these vans very cheaper, and they don't run on gas, so that is a lot less costs over time. I work in logistics, and we usually calculate the price of gas. For example, for big trucks, it's about 30% of monthly cost to run a big truck is only gas. Gas is 30%. No, that's a lot. For small vans, it is about 10%. But still, if you have electricity, that comes down to, I don't know, 1-2%, depending on the rate of electricity in your country. So that is a big reduction, and if you apply it over the course of, I don't know, 10 years that you have this van, that's a lot of money. Really, really a lot of money. So all things aside, the only problem that I see for this company at the moment is they're lagging in production department. Last quarter they only made seven trucks. Okay, there was COVID and everything. It's a big problem all over the world, but still, 7 trucks is 7 vans. It's really low. So if they can ramp up that production and also announce who is their customer for the refrigerated vans, that will be huge catalyst, even without the USPS contract. Because right now everyone is so focused on this USPS contract that they're not taking into account everything else that is coming in information about this company, and it might surprise them. There can be a lot of interest on the short side that is not taking into account this, and at one point, if they announce really big purchase order for the refrigerated vans, it can just blow up. There will be a lot of short covering, a lot of buying interest, because it will take everyone by surprise, and the stock price can just explode. Like I said, I think this will be happening before the end of the year, because they want to offset some of the negative press because of the delay of the USPS contract. So let's stay tuned in. Let's see if we will get it before the end of the year or next quarter report. And let me know, what do you think? Who will be their customer? Do you think they will announce it before end of the year or not? Let me know down below in the comments, and we'll do an update on this company in a few weeks. So let me know. Bye!